don't know where the freaking signs are.
Probably where Slender Man is.
That's what I'm saying.
Don't spill my milk. I'll hold this.
I'm so scared.
That's why I'm holding my milk.
Did you see that? Oh my god.
You're going too slow.
This is a horrible game for children.
Maybe it's not for children.
Oh, it doesn't say children do not play. Maybe you should get some warning signs like, if you are pregnant, do not play. Get away! Oh my god. He's gonna attack. I gotta turn around. Where'd he go? Thank God he went away. Don't know where he went though. There's a rope. Someone hung themselves.
Maybe it was Slender Man.
That's where he's gonna kill me at. No, that has to be a sign. What are you doing? There's 2 ropes now. He has to have hung that. Stop recording me, because now you got me under pressure.
I was recording you the first time.
You were? Well, I didn't know that. Where's the signs? I'm about to look this up. Go on Google bag. Yo, where's the first sign in Slender? Tell me now. I think I might found it. Oh, never mind.
Nope, it's Slender Man.
Oh my god. You hear that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not good at this game. I don't know where these signs are. This is gay now. Because I have no idea where the sign is making me mad. Oh my god, he's coming. Oh my god, he's right there. Oh my god, swipe the screen. Swipe the screen. I'm swiping! Can't swipe no more.